have yet to do his life.
If you guys have a chance to go see Mike later on, he's got some fun.
Well, I try to eat about 5-6 times a day. You know, it's not a large meal, kind of like small to medium-sized meal. Just throughout the day, you know.
Junior Lopez.
What is that, Mike? This is a water bottle. You guys use this to make everything comfortable for you and put some hot water in there. What do you think he's going to do with this water bottle? Is he going to blow it up? Have you ever seen this before? Watch this, people. No. You got something better, Mike? No way! He's going to try to open it through! Mike can destroy it! He loves to destroy stuff! Look at it go! Yeah!
What I have to say about WWE having MMA finishing moves now is that not only did MMA surpass boxing, it's definitely surpassed WWE because MMA is the fastest growing full contact sport and it's here to stay.
I'm still the best spinner ever when I've been Dutch. No matter what this guy
Ladies
is now.
and gentlemen, the honor. Let's go! Yeah! Yeah! That's good, that gets it.